In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find who you follow on Amazon. Whether you've been following favorite authors to keep up with their latest releases, or perhaps you're interested in staying updated with certain brands or influencers, it can be really handy to know exactly who you've chosen to follow. So, let's walk through the process step by step. Start by signing in to your Amazon account. This is your gateway to accessing all your personalized settings and preferences on the platform. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find the Account and Lists option. It's a little drop-down menu that's home to all sorts of tools and settings related to your Amazon experience. Go ahead and click on Account and Lists to open a drop-down menu. From all the options presented, look for and select your account. This will take you to a new page that's essentially a command center for all your Amazon activities and settings. It's a central hub for everything from orders and payments to recommendations and Prime settings. Now, scan the page for the section labeled Ordering and Shopping Preferences. It's in this section where you'll find the link to your Amazon profile. Once you've located it, click on Your Amazon Profile. This will lead you to a page that's tailored to manage your Amazon interactions and personal details. As you scroll through your profile page, keep an eye out for the Who You Follow section. It's typically located a bit further down, so don't be alarmed if you don't see it immediately on the page. Once you find it, you'll see a list detailing the authors, brands, and influencers you've decided to follow over time. Each one represents a connection you've established through your Amazon account, allowing you to easily keep track of their latest updates and offerings. That's all there is to it. You've navigated through Amazon's interface to pinpoint exactly who you're following. It's a simple process, yet quite effective in managing your interests and staying updated with content that matters to you. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful, empowering you to manage your Amazon interactions more efficiently. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment or check other resources we have. Thanks for watching, and have a great day exploring all that Amazon has to offer.